Welcome to houseplan. In this video, I'll show you 29 feet by 38 site floor plan of two-floor house. Facing of site is east. Number of floor is G plus 1. Main door entrance is provided towards north facing. This is ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan. Let's see details of ground floor plan. This is the ground floor plan divided into two portions. In each portion have one BHK house. This is first house and this is the second house. Length of site is 38 feet and width of site is 29 feet. Facing of site is east. This is east and this is north. Towards east, 1 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards south, 2 feet offset is provided. Towards west, 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. Towards north, 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. This is the parking area of size 10 feet by 14 feet 9.5 inch. This is the staircase area which connects first floor. Width of staircase is 6 feet 6 inch. Width of first flight is 3 feet 3 inch and width of second flight also 3 feet 3 inch is provided. This is the first portion of house 1 BHK. Towards north, main door is provided. This is living area of size 8 feet 4.5 inch by 15 feet 6 inch. In living area, one common toilet is provided of size 3 feet 7 inch by 7 feet 1.5 inch. In southeast corner, kitchen is provided of size 6 feet by 7 feet. This is the bedroom of size 7 feet by 9 feet 1.5 inch. We have another portion here of house 1 BHK and main door entrance is provided towards north direction. This is living area of size 12 feet 5 inch by 8 feet 9 inch. Towards southeast corner, kitchen is provided of size 8 feet by 8 feet. Southwest corner, one master bedroom is provided of size 8 feet by 8 feet. This is in living area. One common toilet is provided of size 5 feet 6 inch by 6 feet 7.5 inch. Let's see details of first floor plan. This is the first floor plan, consists of 2 BHK house. Through staircase, we enter into this balcony of size 12 feet 7 inch by 6 feet 6 inch. This width is 6 feet 6 inch. Towards north facing, main door is provided. This is living area of size 16 feet 4 inch by 9 feet 9 inch. In southeast corner, kitchen is provided of size 8 feet 10.5 inch by 8 feet. Attached to kitchen, our dining area of size of width 8 feet. In southwest corner, master bedroom is provided of size 11 feet 4.5 inch by 9 feet 9.5 inch. Master bedroom have one attached toilet of size 5 feet by 5 feet 7 inch. In center of the house, one puja room is provided of size 2 feet 7.5 inch by 5 feet 1 inch. This is common bathroom is provided of size 4 feet 1.5 inch by 5 feet 7.5 inch. This is the another bedroom of size 11 feet 3 inch by 9 feet 9.5 inch. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to channel. Press the bell icon to get latest updates. See you in the next video.